I am making free money from survey websites every single day, guys, and you too can do the same. This is one of the survey websites I currently earn from, and as you can see, I have cashed out several times from this account, and I still have $3 on my account, and once I reach $5, I will cash it out again. I just decided to take a few minutes and share this opportunity with you. So if you like to learn how to make money online through various ways, you are welcome here on my channel. My name is Jonathan, but you can call me JJ. On this channel, I want to teach you everything I'm currently doing to earn money online, and to also share the new things I am learning every day to make my life easier and more productive. So from now on, I'll be uploading videos a couple of times every week to keep you updated. I actually started doing surveys as a side hustle because I'm a student and was only relying on my parents sending me money once a month. But since the money they are sending is not enough and inconsistent because sometimes their salaries are delayed as they are civil servants, sometimes I don't get anything. Like I couldn't buy food stuff, buy data or airtime without relying on my parents. That's why I had to do something for myself while still going to school. So I started survey with the help of a friend that showed me, and ever since then it has been a blessing. So I will be sharing all my lessons here to also help as many people as I possibly can. All I am asking in return is encouragement. Your likes, comments, and subscribe would mean a lot to me. If you are watching this video right now and you want me to upload more videos, you can also show encouragement by liking the video, commenting on the video, and also clicking the subscribe button. So without wasting much of your time, let me show you how you too can start making money from survey websites. But first, let me do one or two surveys just to show you how it works. Okay, there are many surveys here that I can do. You can see them and how much I will potentially earn from each one. I'm going to do this survey, so I will just click it. They will ask me a bunch of questions, so I'm going to speed up this video to save time. As you can see, I just earned 80 cents just for answering one survey. Now, if you do this many times every day, you could be making an extra $5 to $10 every day. And $10 a day in Nigeria is like $300 a month, which is like 450,000 naira per month. Even if you earn only $5 a day, it is like 225,000 naira a month, which is a good extra income. So let's start now. So one thing I like to do is to make sure we are all on the same page. I know that some of you have already heard about surveys and some of you have even tried it before, while some have no idea what it is. So I'm going to pretend like everyone is a total beginner just to make sure we are all on the same page. That's why I'm going to answer some of the most basic questions like what exactly is survey, how does it work, and what are the requirements? Well, let me explain. You see, many companies are curious about their customers. They want to know what their customers are doing, what they prefer, their lifestyle, and everything. Because when they know all these things about their customers, they will be able to know how to serve their customers effectively, which will in turn increase their sales and revenue. Let's use Coca-Cola for example. If Coca-Cola knows that you prefer a chilled drink during hot weather, they will advertise their products in that form, which will make you crave for a taste when you see it. That's why you see Coca-Cola advertising, showing chilled bottle of Coke all the time. You get the idea. So since they can't personally ask you questions about yourself, they go to a survey website and pay the survey website to ask their users questions about Coca-Cola. The amount of money they pay those survey websites, the survey website will ask you those questions and then pay you a cut from that money. So in simple terms, survey means answering questions about yourself and then getting paid for it. It is that simple. Now, what are the requirements? What are the things you need in order to start doing survey? There are 4 things that you can't ignore when it comes to starting your survey earning venture in Nigeria or any other country in Africa. There are many survey websites out there that will pay you to answer questions, but majority of them are not available in many African countries like Nigeria, Ghana, Cameroon, and so on. So if you are living in the United States, UK, Canada, or any of these Western countries, it means you have greater chances of making money from surveys, because almost all the survey websites are available to only these Western countries. So this is a problem for us living in third world countries, but every problem has a solution. Even though you are not living in any of these Western countries, you can use a VPN or a proxy to change your location to any of those Western countries. When you do that, you will have access to almost every survey website out there and will be able to make money from survey websites every day, just like I am currently doing. But take note, some survey websites don't like their users to use VPN or proxy, so you will have to stay away from those ones. And to help you, I will be sharing the survey websites that I am personally using, so you don't have to guess which one to use. The second thing you need is a very strong and privacy browser. Don't ever use Chrome browser for surveys. There are a couple of privacy strong browsers that I will recommend. Any of them is good. You can use Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Brave browser, or DuckDuckGo. Please don't ever use Chrome browser because it will get you disqualified for many survey websites. The third thing you need is a fresh Gmail account. Don't ever use your personal Gmail or any old Gmail account. Go to your Gmail app and create a fresh Gmail that you will use for surveys. The fourth thing is you need a demography. Since you are changing your location to a Western country, You also need a separate information that you will use when answering survey questions. I will leave a link to my Telegram channel. Inside the Telegram channel, you can download a survey demography that you can use. After getting these 4 things, you are ready to go. People will also ask, how much can I make from this? Well, there is no fixed amount. It all depends on how much time you are willing to put and how serious you are. And another thing is how many survey websites you sign up on and which ones. Some survey websites pay higher than others. So if you sign up with high paying ones, you'll probably make more money than people who sign up on the ones that pay less. So with all these questions answered, I believe we are all on the same page and you are ready to know how to start. If you need more clarity, just take the video back and rewatch it to understand. I just want us all to be on the same page. And now let's talk about how you can start earning money from survey websites. The first thing you need, and very important, is a VPN or a proxy. As for me, I've been using VPN and it works absolutely fine and it is easy to use. And please don't even try to use all those free VPN like Windscribe, Turbo or any of that. Make sure you use a paid VPN and I will explain why. You see all those free VPN, they change your location for sure, but the IP address they give you are banned IPs, which means survey websites has already identified and blacklisted those IP address. So if you use a free VPN and change your location and get those blacklisted IPs, you will surely get banned from survey websites, or you will not be able to earn a single dime from surveys. And you can't do without a VPN, because without the VPN you won't be able to get surveys on most survey websites, just like I told you before. When it comes to VPN, I personally use Mysterium, and this app is very easy to set up and Mysterium is affordable. If you activate the 2 years plan, instead of getting it for $10 a month, you will get it for just $2 a month, which is a really good deal if you ask me. But if you are purchasing it for only 1 month, then you are paying $10, which to me is a complete waste of money. So you can either choose one option that you can afford or get Mysterium VPN access from me for just 4,000 naira. As for those who can't afford the entire plan, don't worry, you can use my own Mysterium VPN because up to 6 people can use one plan. You will pay 4,000 naira to get it. If you want me to make a video on how to use Mysterium VPN, let me know in the comment section and I will make a separate video for it. After connecting to a VPN, all you need is to register on 3 of my recommended best survey websites for beginners. For example, this is Nice Survey, and with only this website you can make like $5 to $10 a day if you put time and effort into it. And $10 in Nigeria is like 15,000 naira. Imagine making that amount daily from surveys only. My best 3 easy survey websites for beginners are Hey Piggy, Nice Survey and Cool Survey. But I will stick with Nice Survey for this tutorial. So let me show you how to get started with Nice Survey. Just go to your privacy browser and search Nice Survey. Click on the first result, then click Get Started. Enter your fresh created Gmail and enter a strong password, then register. Make sure you don't save your passwords on your browser. If you will forget it, write it down on a paper, but don't ever save your passwords on survey websites. After creating your account, you can see surveys that you can do and the amount of money you will make for each survey. I already showed you how I did survey in the beginning of the video. Now I think this video is getting too long, But if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below. You can join my WhatsApp and Telegram channel in the description of this video to stay updated. Thank you for watching, and I hope you are subscribed for my next video.